If you still haven't found that specific college textbook for free, you might want to try your luck in an online community like Mobilism, an entire textbook library in a tiny online forum. Here is how to use Mobilism and find your textbook like that. Hi, I'm Santiago from Great Hacker, the non-traditional student most trusted resource. Here, users share all kinds of books, magazines, comics, and even apps with each other. We included it as one of our favorite sites to find free college textbooks, but what makes Mobilism stand out is that here you can request the title you're looking for. We need to find 20 love poems and a song of this. Using it is easy. We need to enter forum.mobilism.org and create an account. We know, it's a letdown, but you only need your email to sign in, so it won't take you more than 1 minute. Before asking, we should see if someone has already uploaded what we are looking for. And because we are passionate people who enjoy the deep and touching words of poetry, we need to find 20 love poems and a song of despair. A classic by Pablo Neruda that you can find on Amazon for a price between $10 and $15. Now, we either type the book's name or the author's name in the search bar, and in this case, it seems as if some other poetry passionate has already shared it. We enter the link, scroll down a bit, and choose one of the working links. Here, let's try the second one. It redirects us to a new site, and here we choose the free download option. We wait for the required 30 seconds to pass, and that's it. The download will start automatically, and we'll get 20 love poems to cultivate our soul. Now, if Mobilism doesn't have your textbook, you can post your request. On their homepage, you go to Chit Chat, where you can find all of their forums. Now, go to Chit Chat again, click on New Topic, and here you type the subject of your topic and write what you're looking for. Then press Submit, and wait for one of the many members of the Mobilism online community to reply with an answer. Who knows, maybe that textbook that seemed impossible to get for free isn't as hard to find as you thought. So that's how you can use Mobilism. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share with your friends so they can find the ebooks for free too. If there is any book you can't find, leave us your request in the comments and we'll see how we can help you. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. We hope this video was helpful, but if you are looking for alternatives to find other types of books, you can learn how to use Library Genesis or find more options with our list of best websites to find free college textbooks.